So this is what a Medena catheter looks like. It comes in a handy wrap, and as you can see, it's soft and flexible, which makes it convenient to fold in half and store in a pocket or handbag when travelling. You'll be pleased to know that I'm not going to demonstrate its use, but as you can imagine, the idea is to insert it into the rectum approximately 10 centimetres. You may find it more comfortable to use a lubricant. My preferred option is to use KY jelly, but simply wetting the end may be sufficient. The more you use it, the easier it becomes. To get started, you may find an analgesic cream may help, such as lidocaine, available on prescription, or other over-the-counter products which are available. Also recommended is a 50mm plastic syringe, which I obtained from my friendly pouch nurse team. Before inserting the catheter, you fill the syringe with warm water. Once the catheter is inserted into the rectum, you may find it helpful to inject the water up the catheter, such as like this. This can assist in loosening the stool and aiding evacuation. You may need to repeat this process several times in one sitting, including rinsing the catheter if it's blocked and refilling the syringe. After completion, thoroughly rinse the catheter in warm soapy water and replace it in its wrap. I would typically use the same catheter for up to a week before replacing. As you can imagine, it's very useful if your loo is close to a sink. This can be a challenge if you're out, and I recommend getting a radar key to give you access to disabled toilets. Failing that, I've been known to discard Medena after a single use when there's not the opportunity to thoroughly clean it. My final comment is you should seek medical advice from your medical team, maybe your pouch nurse, before using a catheter. In some cases, such as at St Mark's, they may instruct you in its use. It may also be the case, depending on your personal anatomy. For example, you may have strictures that it's not appropriate. But for many people, use of Medena catheter can be a game changer.